How many AI subscriptions are you paying for right now? Because if it's more than one, you're about to feel robbed. Google just dropped the biggest update to NotebookLM, and they quietly turned it into a full end-to-end AI system. We're talking AI podcasts in 80-plus languages, research that basically writes itself, visual infographics powered by Nano Banana, smart study systems, video overviews, and one feature I'm saving for the end that actually blew my mind. And yeah, it's all free. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 real practical use cases, things you can use today, tomorrow, and every single day. By the end of this video, you won't just understand NotebookLM, you'll know how to use it like a pro. Let's dive in. Open up NotebookLM and start a new notebook. Right away, you'll notice 3 panels. On the left, Sources. Drop in anything you've got, PDFs, YouTube videos, websites. Just dump it all in. In the center, Chat. This is where you talk to your content. Ask questions, explore ideas, and get clear answers with real citations. And on the right, Studio. This is where things get crazy. Summaries, AI podcasts, visuals, study systems, all generated straight from your sources. Same content. Completely new superpowers, that's NotebookLM. So why would you use this instead of every other AI tool? Here's the breakdown. 3 big reasons. First, this AI only knows what you give it. No scraping the internet. No random training data, just your PDFs, links, and notes. Second, it doesn't make things up. Every answer comes with clickable citations. Check the source, confirm it, move on. Third, it replaces an entire stack of tools, AI podcasts, video summaries, mind maps, flashcards, presentations, infographics, one workspace. Everything inside it. That's why Google didn't bundle this into Gemini. It's built for a completely different job. Different architecture, different intent, different level. That's the difference. Use case number 1. You know that feeling when you wake up and there are like 50 AI announcements overnight? New papers, new launches, new models. It's impossible to keep up, right? So here's the move. Instead of random Twitter threads, we use the same sources real researchers use. MIT News, DeepMind blogs. Actual research, not noise. Drop all of these in as website sources inside NotebookLM. Now watch this. NotebookLM reads everything and turns it into an audio overview. And here's the crazy part. It works in 80-plus languages. English, Spanish, Japanese, whatever you need. I'll go with English. Custom instructions. Focus on Gemini 3 Flash. Now let's do a deep dive. Check this out.
Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're on a critical mission, analyzing the launch of the brand new Gemini 3 Flash model. We've got the official Google developer blogs from December 17th, 2025, and some really crucial insights from the front lines, the prompt engineer community.
Exactly. And this is a big one because we're really challenging a core assumption in AI,
Yeah,
the idea that if you want speed and low cost, you have to sacrifice intelligence.
that's the whole trade-off.
This feature launched on November 13th, 2025, and it completely changes how research works. Here's the difference. ChatGPT gives you answers. Perplexity gives you summaries. But NotebookLM? It gives you a full research report, backed by 40-plus verified sources. Watch this. Click Research. Type your topic. Future Trending Jobs in IT, 2026. Now pay attention. It's not doing a quick search. It's building a research plan, browsing hundreds of websites, finding papers, articles, real data. No shortcuts, no guesswork. And it's done. This is research the way it was always supposed to be. As you can see, it's already given me 47 different resources and even highlighted the top 20 for quick access. And the best part? We can actually explore each one of them. This isn't random data. This is real, structured data, the kind that machine learning models actually use. You can click on any resource, open the link instantly, and go straight to the source. No guessing, no fluff. If you have a question, the answer is already here. Everything is connected, transparent, and verifiable. But what if you just need the quick version? We all saw that interview with Mark Zuckerberg go viral. It's almost an hour long. Be honest, who's actually watching the whole thing? And even if you do, you're probably forgetting half of it. So here's the move. Copy the link. Add it as a source. Done. Now, just ask, "Give me the key takeaways." And you get everything that matters without wasting an hour. Another really powerful thing you can do here is infographics. Just click on it, and instantly it generates everything for you. Take a look at this. Meta's vision for the future of connection. It breaks down the entire podcast into a clean, visual graph. So instead of listening for hours, you can understand the big picture in seconds. And there's one more thing I want to show you. Slide decks. Just click on it, and boom, you get a complete PowerPoint for the video. Every key idea, every insight, already structured and ready to present. So whether you want visuals, summaries, or full presentations, this turns long-form content into something you can actually use. What if you need to actually learn something and your exam is tomorrow? This one's for students, or anyone who wants to learn fast. Step 1. Dump everything. Textbooks, PDFs, YouTube lectures, whatever you have. Pro tip. Configure the chat. Make it simple, straight to the point, full marks in the description. Next, mind map. One click, and the entire subject is visualized. See how all the concepts connect. What would take hours manually is done in seconds. Then, flashcards. Click to flip. Don't get it? Click expand. It explains everything. Fast, efficient, stress-free. That's how you learn everything in record time. This just launched on July 29th and almost nobody is talking about it. Here's the deal. You've got a document. You want a video. Normally, you'd need animators, editors, voiceover. Thousands of dollars. Now, one click. Video overview. Done. Fast, easy, crazy powerful. This video is generated directly from the sources I uploaded. The topic is the space race. How Cold War competition shaped modern technology. It wasn't just about reaching space. It led to satellites, GPS, and advances in computing we still rely on today. By understanding this moment in history, we better understand the technology that surrounds us.
We're going to talk about a rivalry so huge, so intense, it literally reached for the stars. And in the process, it completely changed the world you live in today. Let's get into it. Okay, let me start with a question. Think about the camera in your phone, that little piece of magic you carry everywhere. Was it actually designed for taking selfies or pictures of your lunch here on Earth? Well, the answer might surprise you. Nope, not even close. The story of that camera, and honestly a ton of other tech we take for granted, starts more than half a century ago. It starts with this incredibly fierce competition, a race to lead.
As you can see, it works entirely from the sources you upload, your notebooks, PDFs, and citations. Using only that material, it generates an overview, a mind map, and a clear summary, all grounded in your original sources.